Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I want to start off by saying if you've been around for a while, thank you so much for sticking with me through this little break that I had to take. And if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so glad that you're here. So I just wanted to tell you guys thank you again for sticking with me through this break. I had gotten really busy at work and I had just kind of gotten a little burnout. So for my mental health and just for myself, I needed to take a little break from YouTube for a little while, but I'm excited to be back and try it again. And I decided that this time I'm going to take it at my own pace. I can't guarantee a video so many days a week and at certain times, but I will definitely try to have a video out for you guys each week. And I also have several life updates and home updates to share with you guys. So we will start with the life updates. I'm super excited and so blessed to tell you guys that my husband and I are expecting our first child, due on December 15th, 2020. So right now I'm about 14 and a half weeks pregnant. Probably by the time you guys see this, I'll be 15 weeks. And we are so blessed to be having a baby and to have a healthy pregnancy, and we are just ecstatic. So I'm excited to share the journey with you guys and just keep these memories for myself, but also share it with all of you. And then also we have some home updates to share with you. So I'll take you around and show you. It's mainly in the living room, dining room, and then there's some updates in the laundry room as well. But thank you again for sticking around with me, and I hope you continue to stick around because I will have tons of pregnancy updates and cleaning videos and organizing and all the things that you guys are used to seeing on this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you around the house. That way you guys can see the updates. Okay, so here's what our updated living room looks like. I was actually working from home for the first few weeks of April, so I was able to get some ideas flowing and get a few projects done around here. So I did this gallery wall. The clock has been there, but everything else is new. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. I think I'm gonna add a few more pieces to it, but we were able to get some of our wedding pictures up there and a few other pieces, so I'm happy with that. And then we also got a new sectional and recliner. One of our friends was moving, so we just bought it from them, and I think it fits the space so much better than our old couches. And I'll try to find some old videos or pictures for you guys, that way you can see what it looked like before. And then I want to do something with this table. It obviously doesn't match in here right now, so I'll probably paint that and see how it goes. And then we also got a new entertainment center. My husband actually built this. I need to find some baskets for the bottom and just kind of decorate this up a little more, so that, you know, it kind of goes with our theme a little more, and it's some extra storage. So that is what our living room looks like right now after all of the updates. All right, so the next update we have is my husband actually built us a new dining room table and bench. He built the last one as well, but this one's bigger and we just love the way this one turned out. So we decided to keep it and put it in here. And I love it in here. I just love the length of it and everything. I think it just looks so perfect. All right, so the last update that I have is this laundry room. So if you'll remember, we just had a wire shelf and my husband built this faux floating shelf that just went over the wire shelf. You can see it there. I want to see if we can remove this so that it's out of the way. And then I just added some of these totes up top. I want to add a laundry sign up here above all of that, and then I want to finish decorating this so you guys will get to see that. But yeah, that's what the laundry room looks like now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed all of the updates and our exciting news. If you haven't already, please hit that little red subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any of the future updates or cleaning videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.